Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Marketspace India's weekly podcast. This is Rashaka Kongari, Equity Research Analyst at William O'Neill India. Let's start by analyzing Nifty's daily chart. As you can see, during the week, Nifty reclaimed its 50 and 100 DMAs, which is good sign for the longs. 100 DMA has acted as a good support historically for the Nifty. Also, on Tuesday, we have changed market status to confirmed uptrend, as Nifty closed above its previous rally of 7640. In such a scenario, we tend to increase exposure towards the market by adding stocks to our model portfolio. This has been a very good week for the investors, as Nifty was up around 2.6%, followed by broader indices as well. Sugar stocks were under radar during the week because of government's move. Government is planning to blend at least 20% ethanol in petrol and diesel by 2025. Ethanol being a byproduct of sugar industry, sugar stocks are benefiting the most because of this move. Stocks like Triveni, our portfolio stock, and Dalmia Sugar, Balrampur Chini, Dampur Sugar, and all others have rallied around 10 to 30% during the week. Investors feel there is more upside for these stocks in the coming week as well. One of the major global events that has influenced global markets during the week was minutes of US Federal Reserve meeting. The minutes have pointed at a faster than expected rise in interest rates due to high inflation in the US. When inflation is higher, central bank increases interest rates because increasing interest rates will bring down the money supply in the market. When money supply is lower, people tend to spend less. Thus, inflation comes down. That is one of the major move any central bank can do in such a scenario. However, after this move, most of the global markets have fell sharply. Nasdaq was down 3.3% after this move, followed by Asian markets. Japan Nikkei was down 2.9%. South Korea's Kospi was down 1.1%. Even Nifty was down 1% on Thursday. Coming to the outlook for the next week, we are in confirmed uptrend. However, tracking distribution days is crucial. Current distribution day count is at 3. Accumulation of distribution days indicate weakness in the market. So whenever distribution day count increases to 5 or 6, we might change to under pressure. Also, Nifty is trading just 2% above its 50 DMA. If that level is breached in the coming week, we might change it to under pressure. And TCS, Infosys, Wipro are going to report in the coming week. Being index heavyweights, these results are going to impact the Nifty movement in the coming week. Thank you for joining our weekly podcast. Have a happy weekend and stay safe, everyone.